Short everything down to zero, crypto is dead. This is what you're saying a lot on Twitter right now. And quite frankly, there are some assets that I would rather short than long right now. And there is also a reason why Ethereum is pumping while everything else is dumping, in particular Solana. So I'm on a business trip, but I nonetheless still decided to make a video for you guys immediately today because there is some very important news coming out. So I'm keeping you posted. And I'm keeping you posted today, actually, from Washington, D.C. because some very important stuff for Evadex. A lot of huge updates about Evadex are coming, so I hope you guys are excited, especially those of you who've been early supporters of Evadex. As I said, the FOMO will be insane. And join our movement, evadex.com. Anyway, so there is a reason why this chart looks like this. And it's actually Solana Ethereum chart. And this is a crash, and it only started. So let me explain exactly what it is. I'm going to also show you my trades in this video. So I'm going to give you an update on my trades. And remember that if you want to be the first to see my trades, you can always become part of Kralow Trading Club. This is where we post all the updates. My team posts all the updates immediately because I cannot always make videos every single day. So link to Kralow Trading Club also down in the description of this video. So now there is crazy shit happening, which is affecting Solana in particular, and is giving us some hopium for proper assets out there. So first of all, this is the piece of news right here that is pretty crazy. So we've seen Trump meme coin, Solana, Melania meme coin, or whatever. And then the president of Argentina, this fun guy, came out with the same thing, supposedly. And they launched the meme coin. It went to billions of dollars just to crash down to like 90%, whatever. And now it has become a big problem. And right now, the president of Argentina said he's got nothing to do with it, even though, like, who God knows who actually is behind it. And right now, it's actually a bad look overall, especially if you actually pay attention to the details. You'll see that Bubble Maps analysis says that Libra meme coin, the one launched by Argentina, has been launched by the same team behind Melania coin. So now imagine how bad this looks in terms of Solana. Because which and I'm just jumping a little bit ahead here, which ecosystem, like which projects that are important for the ecosystem of the crypto industry in general that actually provides real world utility is on Solana. And if you're going to spend some time thinking about it, you will be correct because Solana is mostly a meme coin casino. That's about it. So people are starting to realize it with this because all this pump.fum bullshit, it's all Solana. So, but we're going to get to it. So this is first thing that it's not very good looking in general. So they're trying to figure out who the fuck launched that Libra coin, whatever, on Solana. So the second bad thing, which is a good thing and also a bad thing, is the FTX bankruptcy auction of Solana, which basically will be unlocking on the 1st of March, $2 billion worth of Solana in one day. Remember, we already spoke about selling pressure on Solana that is going to be coming from early investors and all the unlocks in February, March, and now also it's billions of dollars in sell pressure. Is it going to go to zero? The answer is not. It's not going to go to zero. It's simply the answer is that there's going to be other assets that are going to perform better during this time. And we already are seeing these shifts. And one of the shifts I just showed you right here. It is happening for one good particular reason. And we're going to get to it. So certainly, $2 billion worth of unlocks for Solana in the FTX debacle is not a great thing. However, the FTX repayments in general is a fantastic thing. So right here, you can actually see it yourself. You can check out the entire plan. But starting with actually tomorrow, $18 billion will flow into Bitcoin and altcoins. And it's going to create more buying pressure for anything outside of Solana. Believe it or not, finally. And plus we have this issue with Argentina, which just shows that, all these meme coins are great, but we need to start focusing on fundamentals. But this is not all. There is also some bit of positivity, and I agree with this positivity for very good two reasons. I'll show those two reasons to you. So Alex Becker also came out on Twitter, and he said that Solana will continue to dominate meme coins, low level, I love this, low level retail transactions, and et cetera, et cetera. However, he said that Ethereum is an easy 2 to 3x, Cardano easy 3-4x. Solana will struggle to keep up in the X's with meme demand stalling because of all this bullshit with meme coins. It's just empty nonsense. It's a casino, which I agree with him. And he says that he still thinks that volume and the use will remain extremely high. It's not dead by any means, so I agree with this, but there's going to be something that is going to perform much better. So what is that something that's going to perform much better than Ethereum X's-wise? So am I going to be shorting Solana from here? Shorting anything in the bull run, in my opinion, is just not exactly very smart. But repositioning your portfolio accordingly is a smart move. So if you look at Solana, has a lot of issues right now, and it's always had a lot of issues. But if you look at, for example, Ethereum, and you actually pay attention, you will see this piece of news right here, where Cboe, which is basically the Chicago Board Options Exchange, which is one of the biggest exchanges in the US, submitted an application to SEC to enable staking for the 21 shares core Ethereum ETF. So to add staking to it, and they are not the only ones. So it's not just 21 shares, it's also Grayscale. So here we are, good old Grayscale came about, and the New York Stock Exchange has filed a proposal to allow staking for Grayscale's Ethereum ETF. So while Solana is losing steam, while Solana is losing momentum, and if you look at even the price action, I mean, it's supposed to be like this. That's what it's supposed to look like. Look, 4 hour, if we go to the 4 hour chart, you will see it like this, and then Ethereum looks like this. So there's a good reason why, because people are starting to realize that the momentum in the narrative is starting to shift from bullshit and hype and marketing to something that also might have some bullshit and marketing and hype and whatever, but at least it's fundamental. It's important for the ecosystem. It's got actual real world utility and power in the outer space of crypto industry to actually make a difference, such as, for example, Avadex. How Avadex is different from Pepe. Pepe is just a meme coin with billions of dollars of market cap. Avadex is an ecosystem important project for the whole industry to bring decentralized trading and ecosystem itself to retail users and for mass adoption. So this is different. These are two different worlds. One can dominate until the other one comes about and common sense prevails. So therefore, it's starting to look like a very important level here on Ethereum should be around 2,800. So as soon as we as soon as we break it, 2,800 is next. And for Solana, I don't know. I think that technically Solana, in terms of all the selling pressure and all this negativity, I would not be surprised to see Solana maybe $150, $120, somewhere in that vicinity. Now, when it comes to Bitcoin, a lot of you are going to be asking about Bitcoin in the comments, so I might as well cover it. Bitcoin looks fine. It looks just like a stable coin. If you look at all the price action here, it just looks like a stable coin, so it isn't doing much. And for me, I really want to see Ethereum staking introduced into the Ethereum ETF, and I want to finally see a huge, more incredible pump and old season in the Ethereum ecosystem. So for this reason, that's why I'm not going to be spending too much time on price action in Bitcoin and Ethereum. It's just, I just already showed you the most important aspect. So when it comes to my trades on Bybit, so we've taken some of the profits on some of the smaller trades we had, still holding Ethereum, finally cracking some kind of a profit. So Anna, Jupiter, Lido, and Pepe still at a negative. So, and as you might know, not all of these, but most of these are Ethereum. So especially Lido, depending on what's going to happen next, Lido is going to be performing exceptionally well. It's already performing exceptionally well. And I guess I should have added a bit more to it down at the bottom of the range, but it is what it is at this point. And guys, remember that if you are trading over on Bybit, or if you're not trading over on Bybit, then for our community, Bybit has exclusive bonuses such as up to 42% discount on trading fees, which you can find using the link down in the description of this video to Bybit. All you got to do is sign up with Bybit using that link, and then you can get up to 42% discount on trading fees, and also up to $30,000 in initial deposit bonuses that you can actually see in your reward center. You can claim them depending on your trading volume and your deposit volume, etc. So use it to your advantage. If you already have a Bybit account, you can create a new one using a different form of identification, such as, for example, a driver's license. So anything else going forward is going to be, again, as I said before, news driven. So all these levels in terms of Bitcoin really want to clear 97,000 and then finally actually try to maybe retake the all-time high. But the biggest excess, I think, will come going forward from the Ethereum narrative and the Ethereum ecosystem in general. So not financial advice, but just what I'm personally looking at. And if we were talking about shorting shit, shorting right now is dangerous, but the only thing I would be shorting, if I were shorting anything, that would be Solana, but not financial advice. Check out this quick tutorial popping up on your screen as to how to trade Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies with proper risk and money management. And until the next video, I say goodbye, stay smart, stay rich, and I love you all. Bye.